name's Michelle and I work at Rare. Have you gotten to know the nature in your neighborhood? Today we're going to meet a tree. For this activity, you will need a piece of paper, a pencil, and some crayons. Next, head out and find a tree. This can be in your backyard or take a walk in your neighborhood or on a local trail. We chose this eastern red cedar tree at Rare. First, we will fold our paper in half and then in half again so that we have 4 equal sections to our page. In one of your sections, draw a picture of your tree. Take a look at the bark of your tree. Is it smooth or rough? Does it have a cool pattern? Place your paper against the tree bark and use a pencil or crayon to take a rubbing of the bark texture. Then take a look higher up in your tree. Does it have leaves or needles? What shape are the leaves? Use another section of your paper to draw or trace a leaf or needles from your tree. Finally, to properly meet our tree, we should give it a name. Choose a name for your tree and write it down on your page. If you know what type of tree it is, you can write that down as well. I've called this tree Cedric the Cedar Tree. Take a guess about how old you think your tree is and write that down as well. It was nice to meet you, tree. See you next time I visit Rare. Have fun meeting a tree. Share a photo of the tree you meet with us at Rare Sites on Facebook or Instagram.